Mastering slang, playing on free mode, Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a popular phrase that you might have heard in conversations or online, playing on free mode. This expression is a bit of slang that has caught on in various contexts. Our goal today is to unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, playing on free mode, draws its analogy from video gaming, where players can sometimes access games in a free mode, meaning they don't have to pay, face the usual restrictions, or deal with the challenges that paying players do. In everyday language, when someone says they're playing on free mode, they mean they're navigating a situation with ease, without facing the typical challenges or constraints others might. It's like moving through life or a specific situation without any costs or hardships that usually come with it. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in conversation. In terms of social interactions, he walks into any room, and everyone loves him. He's definitely playing on free mode. Dealing with bureaucracy or formal processes. She got her visa approved in just a day. She's playing on free mode. In a competitive work environment, despite the tight job market, she landed her dream job effortlessly. She's playing on free mode. These examples illustrate how someone might be perceived as having an unfair advantage or an easier time than others in various life scenarios. Understanding slang like playing on free mode is not just about the words but also the cultural context. This phrase reflects a broader trend in language where gaming and digital experiences influence our everyday expressions. It's a testament to how digital culture shapes our communication, embedding concepts from virtual environments into real-life perspectives. When you use or hear playing on free mode, you're engaging with a language that's continually evolving with technology and culture. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, playing on free mode. We hope this video has illuminated another fascinating corner of English slang for you. Slang can be a window into the values, humor, and creativity of a language's speakers, and understanding these expressions can enrich your English learning journey. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in future videos. Happy learning, and see you next time!